It is moving week. This one's me and this one's my sister.
What's happening?
Rachel, stay focused.
And that's gonna be my little plant bench.
It's kind of like seeing it for the first time.
We are so in love with it.
Good morning, you guys. It is February 15th today, but we are here at our new apartment. We're finalizing everything and getting the keys, and yeah, it's kind of like seeing it for the first time because we saw it like a couple months ago and we loved it, but we didn't take any pictures. So we kind of have like this mental, like I feel like I have this mental picture of what it looks like, but it could be actually quite different. So we're excited, and maybe we're gonna give you a little empty apartment tour before we move everything in. Woo-hoo.
And one of the best parts about this apartment is where it is. But right down there is the river, and it's close to the city, and it's just really beautiful. Right out to the balcony, which is awesome. Chris is excited to do some projects out here. Oh, now you can see it better. There's the river down there. And we are gonna paint this because it's not very nice looking. And then there's also another door that goes right into our master bedroom, which is awesome. Right here you walk in, and this is our kitchen. We're actually gonna take the door off because it kind of just obstructs a lot of the kitchen, and I keep it open most of the time anyways, but there is so much counter space, which is awesome and something that we didn't have in our last place. Cute window. The stove or the oven is definitely smaller than our other one, but it's all good. Down the hallway, there's lots of storage in here, which is awesome for coats and everything. This is the first bathroom, just with the toilet, sink, mirror. This is definitely an older place, but it's still quite nice. So then you go down the hallway, and to the right is the bigger bathroom. Bigger, not that big, which obviously has the tub and the shower in here. Hello, medicine cabinet. So we're gonna get some storage to go right there because there's no like under the sink storage. So yeah, all right. And then right here to the right, we go into the guest bedroom. Here's the windows. Chris is doing a dance because he's excited. And then we can go right out onto our deck, which is super nice. Here's an overview of our room. So lots of space. There are closets, which is almost unheard of here in Europe. So I'm very excited of our apartment. We are so in love with it and super excited to move our stuff in. And we can't wait. And that's gonna be my little plant bench. So yeah, that's our new apartment. It's gonna be like another week until we move all of like the big things, like our furniture and everything, but slowly but surely we'll start bringing stuff over. And so that means we actually have to start packing up our stuff now. Yes, so.
What's happening? So we just got done at Bauhaus, which is kind of like Home Depot. Got some paint to paint the balcony, and we looked at some wood for our project, so we're really excited. I think it's gonna come together really nice. Woohoo! Welcome to my bedroom floor. It's about the only space in my house that doesn't have stuff sitting on it. It is moving week, which is really exciting. So today we took down everything off of the walls, as you saw, and we're gonna start filling all the holes. And so yeah, it's starting to feel a little bit bare slowly, but there's still a lot that I have to do. Right now, my plan is to start kind of decluttering some areas. So we have like a sideboard right here where I'm sitting. It's just kind of collected like a lot of paper, notebooks, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through that and hopefully pack up most of that. At our wedding, we gave out, I don't know, like 4 or 5 disposable cameras to random people, and we let them take photos. And I actually always forget that we have these, so I should do something with them. I love some of the pictures. It's just such a different perspective from like some of our guests. Our reception, we're at the head table, some of our guests. One took a picture of the meal. That's cool, because we definitely don't have a picture of our meal. Oh, I love it. This is always my problem when I start to like declutter and organize, is that I get so like distracted by stuff like this, or I'll start looking through old journals and stuff like that. So I just have to remind myself, Rachel, stay focused. This one's me and this one's my sister. Stroopwafel face mask, book about Swiss German. I need to use this more. Letter from my grandpa, Polaroid camera, pom-pom, Dave Ramsey, red pens. Alrighty, so it's a couple days later. I realized I never ended the vlog, but yesterday I was in super packing mode and I was just go, go, go. And it was a lot more than I thought, and has taken a lot longer than I thought it would. So I didn't really film anything just because I wanted to stay focused and just get it done. This is gonna end this part of the vlog, and in the next vlog you'll see more of us moving in. Stay tuned for that, you guys. Thanks for coming along with us in our journey as we move to a new place, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.